the pillar on my right side. So that messed me up. Pretty slow. Heat cycled out tires. Locked up on me. Turn one, the rear just keeps sliding. Dude, like they're done. Done. You're gonna be on the pit wall. No. You're gonna be on pit wall. You're gonna fix my tire pressure.
Okay.
My pressure needs to be 27 high.
Okay.
Alright? If you get mirror, to get the camera, get the tire temperature. So, you know.
Alright.
So, when you see me flashing, that's when I'm coming in the next lap. So it gives you enough time to go down and get ready. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Are these all marked?
Yeah. Wrap them in tire warmers. Let me go connect the power. Austin.
Yeah.
How much fuel? I need 15. Same radio.
UHF channel 20.
Can you hear me?
Test.
Alright, drop it. That's the side because
I was out there. I was dancing in the rain. What's up? You not taking that? You're not trying to go. You're not trying to go 150 on the back straight and that in the rain. You'd be spinning to another universe. I hope it chills out for our first time session.
yeah.
Otherwise, I'm getting annoyed.
That guy is in a black and red suit. He's gonna be behind him.
The super, old super.
Who, your boy? Yeah, David. What? This?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna be behind him on the first lap because he got the tires.
He's on TT or what?
He is on.
Okay.
He got those tires that the first lap is like hot. It goes fast. Get the tire warmers off so that way we can get some heat in the tires. Both rear, missing one. Hopefully this last bit of the way.
Yeah. That's what Apple says. Whole thing?
Yeah. So yeah, we're skipping the next one. And
Straight to qualifying.
is that the next one?
That's the next one.
No TT or anything in between?
Under qualifying.
I mean, realistically, you should be first or second regardless. Yeah.
Probably.
What other cars are out there? Other than other.
Hey, what's up, man? Probably, it's gonna be a practice.
They're good at that.
When you go on the tower,
Yeah.
okay? When you see me flashing my lights, know that the next lap I'm pitting in.
All right.
So when I pit in, get the both gauges, air gauges, check the pressure, and record the data, all right?
All right.
For 5 minutes yet?